Hello everyone, it's Christy from Christy's Beautiful Life. Welcome to How to Kill a Kit with Style, the Kill the Kit part, share wrap up for April using Paige Evans Go the Same group. So I got a ton done. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 layouts done. So they will have a much better overview of that with my April layout shares coming up. But let's talk about what I have left over, how I did, and my plans. So that is not for that. I had quite a large stack of photos, if you can remember, and I will make sure to link my share for what I started with for April, but I will also leave the link for the actual kit share of everything that was there, because I've already done a few layouts with this before. I have 2 layouts to do left. So I've got this one about kind of documenting Bigfoot, and then I also have when we went for a little walk to see the springs, and we were kind of in the forest. So I have those 2 layouts left to do. I just didn't get to them. April ended on me before I was done. So that's what I've got left, and this vacation is done, and I can do the layout share for that. I'm very excited about that, and that will come up hopefully either May or June for you. Now, what do I have left? Let's start with embellishments. I used all of them except for the word imagine and map. Now, these are the puffy stickers from there. I only have this word every day left in the puffy stickers, the 12 by 12 sheet. It's a puffy sticker, so it was 2-sided, full of fun things to play with, and that's the only thing I have left. That's pretty good. So 3 words, and they're all in the same color, which is funny, but that's okay. I used up all the enamel stickers. I used up almost all of the embellishments. I'll show you what I have left there, but that's basically done. Sticker wise, I just have just a couple, not very many left, just a few words and stuff, but everything else basically got used. And then for this, I added into, this isn't part of it, but I used a few of the words for this one, so that's pretty cool. Getting really close to finishing that too. And then I had just this package and then came across this one. So I still have a few alphas left. I've got a couple E's and stuff, so I can still use them. But I did a pretty good job of using them, especially considering I had two of them and I wasn't aware of that. I didn't open up this top package of florals. Now I had two of them, so I have that left over. And then for embellishments, I have this little checklist I thought I could use. I never did, but that's okay. There's that little piece. There's that little piece. And I think there's one more. Oh, right here. There's a journaling card that I didn't use. So out of all of the embellishments, that's all I wasn't able to use. Everything else is the florals that I either fussy cut out myself or are part of the floral packaging. So I used a ton of florals, but they're very easy to use, and so I'm not worried about that. I'll just add them into my spring container and get them used up when I can. So I did a really good job with that, and I basically killed this chipboard sheet with the exception of this one butterfly. I just couldn't get that sucker on. I tried so hard. And then there's this little notes and this little pen, and I'm going to take these off and put them in my school theme stuff. Everything else was done. Oh, and I missed a heart that I didn't see there. But other than that, killed the chipboard sheet, which is awesome. And then paper wise, so there were 48 sheets. I've used all 48 sheets basically. I have 2 full 12 by 12s left. This gorgeous butterfly one, I just is so pretty. I didn't use it. And then this one, which will be definitely be used for one of my last sets of layouts to do. This butterfly one I might end up putting in with my kind of stash card, like pattern paper, and bring into something else. And then I just simply have a few bits of leftover pattern paper to use to help me finish off those last couple layouts I need to do. So not too bad. I would say I did a pretty good job of killing this collection. So happy. I love this collection. I'm not even sick of it. Like I'm totally excited to finish these 2 layouts and get them done with what I have, and then do a fun album share for you. It was lots of fun. I really enjoyed this collection. I loved using it for one project. It's not something I normally do, so that was probably what I enjoyed about it so much. But yeah, that is a look at how I ended up using up my April's How to Kill a Kit with Style. May will be up tomorrow, so you can have a look. I'm doing things a little bit differently in May, so check back to see that. And I will, like I said, get these 2 layouts done and do an album share for you, hopefully in May, but if not, definitely for June. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to kind of click around. There will be everyone sharing their Kill a Kits today too, I'm sure, or they will be shared tomorrow. Some people like to combine the last month's Kill a Kit with and then what they're looking to do the next month, so that could happen as well. We all do it just a little bit differently. So thanks so much. I'll see you soon. Bye everyone.